Should you plead guilty or not guilty in traffic court? Imagine standing in a courtroom, the judge looking at you and your future hanging in the balance. When you get a traffic ticket, you face a choice that can change your day and your record. You might wonder if pleading guilty or not guilty is the right move. Let's break down what each option means and how the courtroom environment handles these decisions. When you go to traffic court, you usually have three options: plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Pleading guilty means you admit to the violation. This often results in paying a fine and sometimes points added to your driving record. You might also have to attend traffic school. It's the simplest way to settle the ticket if you accept responsibility and want to avoid a trial. If you choose to plead not guilty, you are denying the violation. This means your case will go to a hearing or trial. At this stage, you can present your side, challenge the evidence, or negotiate with the prosecutor. If you win, the charges are dismissed and you avoid fines. But if you lose, you face the same penalties as if you had pleaded guilty, plus possible court costs or delays. From the courtroom perspective, when you plead not guilty, the judge will set a trial date. You do not need to provide evidence at this point, just state your plea. You can later change your plea if you decide to settle or gather more evidence. This process allows you to contest the ticket and possibly avoid penalties if you have a good defense. Pleading guilty can sometimes include an explanation to the judge. If you have a valid reason like financial hardship, the judge might reduce or suspend penalties. But remember, a guilty plea still goes on your driving record. The third option, no contest or nolo contendere, means you do not admit guilt but accept the punishment. This can be helpful if you want to avoid admitting guilt in civil cases related to the ticket. It's a way to resolve the matter without making a formal admission of guilt. Deciding whether to plead guilty or not depends on your situation. If you believe you broke the law and want to settle quickly, pleading guilty might be best. If you think you are innocent or have a strong defense, pleading not guilty gives you the chance to contest the ticket. In the courtroom, the process involves scheduling a trial and presenting your case. It's often wise to consult a lawyer who can help you decide the best plea based on your circumstances and local traffic laws. Remember, each plea has different consequences, so choose carefully to protect your driving record and your time.